where are you going?
Right.
Yeah, A is next. Uh-oh.
You want me to tell you which way to lean?
Kick your butt, Dad.
Hey.
Yeah, there it goes.
Right.
Was that your hip?
No. It was a board.
No, it's not my hip. Not that old.
Ah!
My hand up there. God damn, I'm going to my hip. Get over there. My hand. My clamp. My sphincter.
You're moving the floor.
You were like all over the place. Loosen up your arm. Good gravy. You're like stiff.
My God.
You're a guy. You shouldn't be doing this in the first place. You just look like. Wait till you see this. This is hilarious.
Get right here. Get right here.
I'll get him on the next one. It's filming.
This is not going to be fun tonight, Dad.
Hello. Come and get you, Elizabeth.
Keep on going, Dad. Keep going.
Burp. Whew.
Yeah, let's go over here. Get a little closer. If I do it, then I can't see them.
Does this help?
Yes.
So what happened if somebody just came up behind you and went, wham!
That would be very uncool.
And funny.
No.
Yeah.
Funny for like 3 seconds, then very uncool.
We barely made that one. How many did you get on the last one?
3 seconds.
You look like you're having an epileptic seizure on top. Standing up.
Where am I supposed to be going?
There you go. Look like a hula dancer.
Ooh, look at me go. Ooh.
Come on, keep going.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna beat me again. I'm gonna have to reclaim my title.
Ooh.
I'm done for you guys.
What you got on the second one?
He's got to make
5,
about another 50 to
4,
beat me.
3, 2, 1.
394.
Ooh, that's gonna be close.
Ooh.
No, it did beat you by like 100.
No, he only got 319 on the first one.
Oh.
Told ya.
One less than your other one.